start, in this video, I'll show you how to place a picture inside a shape, or what we'll call a frame in Canva. Let's start by picking a picture from your own uploads or Canva stock photos. Now, let's go to Frames. These are shapes made for holding images. For example, if you want to put your picture in a circle, draw the circle shape onto your canvas. Then, simply drag your image into the circle frame. Resize and crop your image to fit perfectly. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners of the frame. Even after placing your image in the frame, you can still edit it, apply filters, change brightness, contrast, and more. Canva offers plenty of frames. Some of them are free for you to play around with. Have fun cropping your images into cool shapes and frames in Canva.